seems like it's Senor Frogs, I think, closed, and another place, so we're going to see what's going on there. I'm kind of curious.
Yeah, I don't think we've been down there since we went to the Mirage when it closed.
Yeah.
What was that, 2 years ago?
Yeah, at least 2 years.
So we're going to go check it out, see what's changed, and if it's worth it. All right, going into parking.
Yep, Treasure Island Cell Park. That's where we're going.
We love parking on the tops of parking garages. They're some of the best views in the city. If you park right by the elevator, it's just as convenient as anywhere else. And here's a great shot of that guitar.
Well, here's the thing. That guitar, when you're on the freeway driving over, does not look that big, and you're like, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
But once you're here, it's impressive. It's big.
It's crazy. And here is Treasure Island.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna go park over by the elevator.
Yeah, I want to be by the elevator. All right, here we are just entering the Island Hotel and Casino, the third floor to the check-in. I haven't been here in a while, so.
Yeah, we should be able to check in at a kiosk because we did the pre-register.
Yep, we did all the pre-register stuff, so we should be able to get right in on a kiosk. Because waiting in lines sometimes is no joke. You don't want to do that. Still waiting to check in here, but thought I'd show you. They got a few stores and stuff right around. They got a market where you get all your gift store. Yeah. And right there's your gift shop. Not too bad. Get you buying before you get checked.
Vegas style. The escalator's broken. So we're gonna, instead of opting for this very long stairway, we're gonna go take a come off the elevator. There's the Cove. Looks like a bar. It's pretty cool. Pool is that way. The yogurt shop. We got our Starbucks. Mystery gift shop. And hotel lobby. That's where we want to go to check in. There is no shortage of gift shops in Treasure Island.
Yeah, here's your first food place, pizzeria. Francesco's?
Yep.
Okay.
You can even get tattooed here if you want.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Gift shop.
Yeah.
Because you don't have enough of those.
Here's the sports bar.
There we go. Sports bar.
Go check this out real quick.
Yeah, it's a golden circle. This wasn't here last time we were at Treasure Island.
No, this is new. Alright, that's pretty cool. Lots of TVs, a bar. It's not booming like some places. You can hear yourself think, so that's kind of cool.
We'll come back here later.
Yeah, we might have to eat here because we are here on Easter Sunday and everything else might be booked, so maybe we'll come eat here.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
That was not there last time.
No. There's Phil's Steakhouse. Doesn't look like it's open yet. Must be just for dinner. And then a pho place. Pho. I say pho, but I think it's probably pho. I don't know. Let me know what you think. That looks nice, huh?
Yeah, this looks good. What is this?
Pho, however you say that.
It's really busy though.
It is, yeah.
I mean, at this time of day, that's pretty good. Oh, I forgot my watch.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this,
Coffee shop.
it's the pho place. Oh, this is the coffee shop. Oh, they just kind of blend together. It's one big restaurant. Okay. Interesting.
Bye.
A lounge over here.
Yeah, I think they are separated. There's like, it's hard to tell what's what. This is the coffee shop, right?
Oh, okay.
Check-in's over there, right? Where's this in?
Lobby. Express self check-in and out. There we go. This says express check-in and out.
That's what we want.
Yep. So scan the QR code to pre-register, then stop by the kiosk. Okay, so we already did that first part. We just need to find a kiosk. Here it is for the regular check-in. We are just looking for the kiosk. I think we found the self-service kiosk. Oh, that's not it. Oh, it's the ATM. Here they are. We found them by the valet, in case you're looking for them.
All right, ready?
Yep, let's see. We want the current room. We don't want to upgrade to a suite. Continue. I already added myself.
Okay.
So this is how much we paid.
Yeah.
For a Sunday night. It's actually Easter, so it's a holiday. Got our room keys, our room assignment. We're gonna head up. There's the valet. This is what I wanted to see is Gillies. I don't know how many people remember this, but one of my favorite movies growing up was Urban Cowboy, and it took place at Gillies. So I've always thought it was pretty cool. Very cool. Very nice. Nice.
You go in?
Yeah, slow right now. Yeah. Very cool.
Yeah, we can come back here later.
Okay. We got a Gillies trading post.
Oh, yeah.
We'll have to go see that later. Okay, yeah. Hawaiian fishing. I rode the bull at Gillies.
You get also a Gillies shirt.
Yeah, Gillies, Las Vegas. Very cool. Our son has an affinity for the Western stuff, like his mama. Got hats, cups, belts. Gillies, Las Vegas. I actually have one from when it was in the Frontier.
Yeah, you do? Las Vegas Gillies.
Yep. Ooh, there's a purple one.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, we'll have to get one for Austin. Here's some sale ones. Advantage of the Gillies gift shop. Oh yeah, part of the Treasure Island that's still intact. A lot of the theming is gone, but we got the sirens still.
Yeah, some of it's still the same because they got the, up here they have all the
Sirens.
treasure,
Yeah.
decor.
But you have to look pretty hard to find it. Wrong ones? All right, close. Serious. All right, so here we are in the room. First impressions, it smells really clean.
It does.
Yeah. Okay, so we paid for a king strip view. So let's see what that gets us in Las Vegas. Okay, we got the pool. Sorry, let me get this together here. Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, you got a good view of the.
Good view of the guitar. We can see the TI sign. Got the Venetian Palazzo Flamingo, Caesars, and the pool. That's pretty cool, huh? Very nice.
Not bad.
All right, the rest of the room. So we got sitting area, dresser drawers, a lamp with a USB port and an outlet. Got a phone. We got the king size room. Then we got the TV and another dresser, another lamp with USB and outlets. Same over here. We got a closet, extra blankets, coat hangers, big safe. That's a big one. And then your ironing board, iron, hair dryer, and extra toilet paper, and then suitcase holders in there. And then we got the bathroom. So one sink, got some towels, some lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And then a shower tub combo. This is saying pool towels are available poolside. All right. That is pretty much the room. Like I said, it smells very clean, looks very nice. You just have to see the strip. It's just kind of unfortunate because you have to walk up to the window and turn left. You can't see it from bed or anything, but
It's nice.
it's definitely a strip view. All right, we've decided to eat at the Golden Circle Sportsbook and Bar. We can figure out how to get in here. It's pretty big. All right, please seat yourself. Nice. All right, here is the quick look at the menu. We'll have it linked below as well, though. Oh, just sent everything flying on the table. We just ordered. Here's kind of an overview. We thought it would be a lot busier. It's just a little bit slower right now.
Sunday, so
It is Easter Sunday, so woo! Make everybody dizzy.
they got all the football teams. They got ALEs. Oh, I'm sorry, baseball.
Yeah.
NFL's over there. They got baseball there. This is a nice sports book. All the screens they have for sports here.
Yeah, I just did
There
a
is no
pan
place
around.
that
Yeah.
you cannot see a game.
Yeah, not
No
a bad
place.
seat in the house.
No.
That's a pretty good pour. And then they gave
That's a
us
really good
waters. Take
Look at
these
this.
out to the pool in a little bit.
Alaskan Amber.
Yep. I got the fish tacos. They may not look good to everybody because I didn't get the coleslaw or the sauce that goes on them, but it did come with green salsa and pico and lime, which looks really good to me. What'd you get?
Bison burger.
Let's see it. Ooh, that looks good. They smell really good too. Yeah, they got it out quick, and I dressed mine up a little bit. Ooh,
That's a
bison
big patty.
burger.
Yeah.
Yummy. How's your burger?
Oh, it's so good.
Is it a little
big old
pink
thick
inside?
patty. Yeah,
Nice.
that's fine. I like it like that. It's medium.
Nice. My tacos are really good. Crispy fish, good flavor. 2 thumbs up. At High Limit Lounge. Now it's pool time.
Found something interesting here. I don't know if you can, let me step out a little bit. Check out the detail in the carving. It's amazing. And this is all, gets even more interesting. It's from a woolly mammoth. So a little bit of history for you as well.
Apparently we're fixated on the air hockey.
This
Yeah.
is fucking cool.
Are you challenging me to a game later?
Yeah.
All right.
Look, you even have, you can see sports here while you're playing sports.
I
Well,
think
you
I think
consider
we
it.
know what's happening with this game.
Well, check this out. They got a bar. You can play arcade games and you still got a bar.
Yeah?
Only in Vegas. That's Vegas. Right there. Here's the bowling.
Oh, they got some football over there. Okay, you can do bowling. King Kong. Very cool. That's cool. Foosball.
This is really nice.
It is pretty cool.
Austin would love that.
Yeah, he'd love the punching bat.
See, if he came with us, we'd have him use it.
I know. Pool tables, lounge areas.
This is really cool.
Wow, it goes way back here.
It does. It goes all the way back to the pool area.
Wow, very cool. All right, here we go to the pool. Pool store at TI. Here's the rules of the pool. Probably have to cut this short because of the music, but this is a pretty cool pool area. Very nice. You can see the guitar. Lots of chairs. Main pool right here. Towels. Restrooms are back there, and then cabanas along the back wall there. Oh, and the bar and pub. Can't forget that. And the guitar-shaped hotel going up. Okay, checking out of the Treasure Island. So do you think it's worth it for the price that we paid for everything that we got?
Yeah, they still get you with some of those fees, but for what we paid, there's value in it. It's not too bad. So, and I was pleasantly surprised that the Treasure Island was nice. And in my mind, I was thinking, well, you know, it's one of those kind of forgotten places on the strip, but it was actually well maintained. They had good places to eat in there.
Free parking. You
Free
can
parking, yeah.
opt out of the resort fee, but you still get to use the pool, so that's a good thing. But you don't get Wi-Fi, you don't get boarding passes with your, like for your flights. And there was one other thing you don't get. I'll leave it in the caption, but there's just a few things you don't get.
Yeah,
but then
a
you
couple
get
things
to miss out on the $50 resort fees.
Yeah.
And you can buy those things separately if you want to. So something to consider. Heartzilla. That's pretty funny, huh?
It is.